All right, so let me start off this video by saying my daughter wanted to unbox her toys while I was doing my unboxing. So, she's there. Just a heads up. All right, so opening up the box or seeing the box for the Neo for the first time, I already knew the box was relatively thin, so I wasn't expecting much in the box. And there was nothing much in the box, but they did come with the charging cable. It came with the charging brick as well. So, how much can I complain? Immediately go straight to the Neo, and it looked nice, man. It felt good and cold in my hands, nice and thin, not too many ports, but again, for $400 with the student discount, what more could I actually ask for? Nice clicky buttons, mouse pad, I will say, or trackpad, whatever. Felt kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie to you. Keep in mind, this is just an unboxing and my first impressions of this device. This device is for my daughter. We got the student discount on it, so $400 for a MacBook. I'm impressed. I'm genuinely impressed. This probably will be the first and last video that I make on this product, but because it's for her, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to get this device back from her to actually do a full review. And not that I actually want to. But anyway, overall, I think it's a relatively good laptop, or MacBook, I'm sorry. And this is what she thought about it.
Wait, how do I get this out of here?
That pull tab that say hello.
It made noise?
Rather than breathing.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait to make this pink.
How would you think about it?
I love it. It's very smooth, very nice, very demure.
And someone else wanted to chime in as well, so here's that. You see it?
Hey!
Tell me in the comment section, what do you guys think of the MacBook Neo? Do you have one? Do you enjoy it? Did you take it back? Let me know in the comment section down below. This your boy Tate. I'm gone. Peace.
Like you got me and I'm with it. If you with it, committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.